So hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert your Python programs into standalone executable file. This is very useful if you want to share your Python apps with friends, clients, or anyone who doesn't have Python installed on their computer. So without further delay, let's get started. So why would you want to convert a Python script to an executable file? Well, there are a few reasons. First, users don't need to install Python or any dependencies, and it's much easier to share and install your application. And it also makes your app look polished and standalone. So to convert a Python script to an executable, we'll use PyInstaller, a popular and easy to use tool. Make sure Python is installed on your machine and let's get started. First, let's install PyInstaller. Open up your command prompt or terminal and type pip install PyInstaller. Press enter and let it install. This should only take a few seconds. And let's say you have a script called counter.py that you want to convert. Place it in a folder where you can easily access it from the command prompt. Now navigate to the folder containing your script using the command prompt. For example, if it's on the desktop and in a folder called counter, you type cd desktop then cd counter. Then run the following command to convert your script to an executable file with a custom icon and without the terminal window. PyInstaller -1 file to bundle everything into a single executable. -window to hide the terminal window, making it look more like a regular application. And to add your custom logo, type --icon equals to name of your ISO file. After running the command, PyInstaller will create some folders in your scripts directory. This folder will have your new executable file, counter.exe, with the logo and without the terminal. Double-click on the counter.exe to run it. So here, you won't see a terminal window, and your app should run smoothly with the custom icon. Check out PyInstaller's documentation for more customization options. And that's it. And you've learned how to create an executable file from a Python script, add a custom logo, and remove the terminal window. Thanks for watching and happy coding.